Section 32 of the Code of Criminal Procedure explains the sentencing powers of magistrate. A metropolitan magistrate or a magistrate of the first class may award imprisonment up to 5 years, including solitary confinement where permitted by law, and may also impose a fine up to 500,000 taka. A magistrate of the second class may award imprisonment up to 3 years with solitary confinement where legally allowed, and may impose a fine up to 300,000 taka. A magistrate of the third class may award imprisonment up to 2 years and may impose a fine up to 200,000 taka. This section is important for law students because it defines the limits of punishment and the jurisdiction of magistrate court.